Welcome to another video of Themehunk. In this video, I will show you how to open a menu in a new tab in the blog theme. Let's get started. Consider we have to open the blog menu in the new tab. Unlike the classic theme, you don't have to go to the dashboard for this task. First, click on the Edit site. Now click on the blog menu. Now click on the link icon and then on the edit icon. Now you will see an option that says Advance. In the Advance option, you will see an option that says Open in New tab. Tick the box and save the changes. Now save from the option on the top right corner. Now open your site. Blog menu will be opened in a new tab. If you find this video helpful, please like this video and subscribe to our channel.